Hello there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove taxes from your Shopify checkout. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, select Taxes and Duties. After clicking on Taxes and Duties, scroll down to find the option that says Include Sales Tax in Product Prices and Shipping Rates. Uncheck this box to ensure sales tax is not included. Also, make sure to uncheck the option for charging sales tax on shipping. Once you've done that, click Save in the top right corner to secure your changes. Next, return to the main menu and click on Online Store. Look for the three dots and click on Edit Default Theme Content. In the search bar, type Taxes, and you'll see various labels related to taxes. Add the word Free to each relevant section, such as Taxes Label, Estimated Taxes, and so on. This will display Free to your customers during checkout, indicating no taxes are applied. Once you've made these changes, click Save, and there you have it. You've successfully removed taxes from your Shopify checkout. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll be sure to reply. See you in the next video.